Good morning, Castle Knights. This is Amanda and Katrina with this week's weekly communication, where we're sharing how we're breaking barriers and building futures. To begin with some updates, we are starting our Champion a Child this week. Make sure you take time to meet your student and plan a daily schedule to touch base with your student. Contact the student's parents so that they know what's going on. And then remember to turn in your tally sheet weekly to the Champion a Student box by Natalie's desk.
And then just a reminder, the student LCAP survey is due. It's for 4th to 6th grade only. We sent it out last week. We're sending it out again this week. It will be linked in the email. Please make sure your students take this survey by today. Thank you.
And then we have the parent LCAP survey. We're going to send a flyer home to parents so that they know they can get online to take the survey. So please keep your eyes peeled for that and send it home as soon as you get it in your box.
All right, and then there are after-school fundraiser signups going on this week. If your team would like to earn some extra money through Student Body to pay for end-of-the-year parties, feel free to sign up. 6th grade has taken this first week and will be selling popsicles after school. The sign-up is by Miss Hilton's door.
We have another Camp Keep parent meeting for 5th and 6th grade students. For their parents who would like to attend Camp Keep, it is scheduled for Thursday, April 12th from 9 to 10 a.m. in the multipurpose room. If parents went to the meeting on the 5th, they do not have to attend this meeting, but it is mandatory if they would like their students to attend Camp Keep.
Coast to Coast Soccer continues on campus this Monday, Wednesday, and Friday. We are adding basketball to the 5th and 6th grade lunch recess, so that will be available for your students who have signed up as well.
And just a reminder that the ELA interim window is open, and it is open through April 20th. So pace that out as your students need.
All right, just a reminder, Cabinet is on campus today. I'm going through the classrooms and seeing all the great things we have going on at Castle. Thank you for welcoming them.
And then we have our March and Quarter 3 awards starting tomorrow and Wednesday. Our all-school honorable nights will be tomorrow morning at 8:30. Then 1st, 2nd, and 3rd grade, as well as kindergarten, will have their awards on the 10th. And then 5th, 6th, and 4th grade will have their awards on the 11th. Please make sure you get the parent notices home, and thank you for the flexibility in combining these two award ceremonies.
All right, and then looking at data analysis, please let us know when you'll be analyzing an interim or even one of your common formative assessments. UVA would like to have our Shepherd visit a data analysis session, and you guys have done such a great job with looking at data and backwards mapping. So please email both Amanda and I some dates that your team will be looking at those.
All right, you have PLC this Wednesday, April 11th. We've moved the staff meeting so you can use this time to finish your data analysis or to plan.
All right, and then the ACES rummage sale will be on April 14th. Bring items to donate and give those to Miss D.
3rd through 6th grade, we will do our CAST training next Wednesday, the 18th. Please plan to be there through 3:50. I'm not sure if it will take all of that time, but please plan accordingly.
And then Whitley staff, you will have a staff meeting on April 12th. Please make sure you secure your substitute right away so that you can attend.
Now for our favorite part, the shout outs. Congratulations to Anna, Lauren, and Becky Baker, who are our most recent recipients of Donors Choose. Congratulations.
And then thank you to the Positive School Culture Committee for organizing Champion a Child reception. We're all very excited to be mentoring our students.
Thank you to Shannon Hilton for organizing the grade level fundraising signups for end of year parties. If you need those forms, they're in her office.
And then last Friday, we had school-wide behavior talks. Thank you, Kim, Jackie, and Shannon for conducting those. And teachers also remember students cannot take their backpacks to morning or lunch recess. Please remind them.
A big thank you to Ashley, Crystal, Michelle, and Lauren for creating the 3 strikes rule and parent letter that we've sent home to all 3rd through 6th grade students. We appreciate your time.
And then 4th grade, thank you for throwing the amazing bridal shower for Lauren LaRoque. We love the Disney games.
And thank you to 3rd, 4th, 5th, and 6th grade for taking the time to plan your IABs and schedule your CAS testing for your students. Make sure you get those schedules to us.
That's it. Thanks for listening. Remember our 3 school priorities: math, collaboration, and positive school culture. Have a great week.